Verifying your Google Photos account is essential to ensure your data is secure and accessible. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Photos website. Click on the Sign In button and enter your Google account credentials to access your photos. Step 2. Check account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Google account settings, click on the Security tab on the left side. This section contains important information regarding your account's security status. Step 4. Enable two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section and find the option for two-step verification. Click on it and follow the prompts to set up this additional security feature for your account. Step 5. Confirm your backup options. After enabling two-step verification, return to the Google Photos interface. Check your backup settings by clicking on the Photos Settings option and ensure that your photos are being backed up correctly to your Google account. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your Google Photos account and enhance its security. Regularly check your settings to keep your account safe and ensure your photos are always backed up.